Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. In last tutorial we discussed it is a base part. Today we are going to discuss it is a the next part is called it is the shaft. Okay, so I will first open the new, save the part. The part name is shaft. The next one is I'll change the unit. The unit is I assume that is a millimeter and weight is kilogram. Okay, so now in the shaft you can see this one. So now we can do in a two method, either in a extrude method by using in a side view I can start over here, or within a one command, that is a revolve command, means half section I will draw it over here and revolve it over there. Next I will make it the remaining operation. So revolve operation, now in this picture it is very easy to can draw over here. So we start from it is a revolve command. For the revolve command only required is the half section. Okay, so now I take the sketch command. Now start from that is a distance, a total distance is from here to here is given, you have to calculate. So that distance is from this point to over here, it is distance is 28.9, 89.8. Okay, the total distance next, the total this one is 193, next is a 15.1, and this is a 24. So that total distance is how to take the. Okay, so now this distance is 28.9 plus this distance is 89.8. This one is given over here 24. This one is 38.2. Next from here to up to here it is 193.8, and last remaining distance was 15.1. So total distance is 389.8. So I start from over here, it is 389.8 total dimension. So now from the first one it is 31.1. So we have to see properly. The distance is, it is not 13.1. So now it is 56. Okay, so 56 it is given the distance, so that will be going to make it over here. 56 means half divided by 2. Next from this point to up to over here. Okay, so that distance is 15.1, 193.8 and 38.2. 15.1 plus 193.8 plus 38.2 is here. Okay, 38.2. Okay, so this is our final distance. Next distance is from this point is, the distance is given, it is 87.2. 87.2 half. Okay, 87.2 divided by 2. So 87.2 divided by 2, it is 43.6, and that half distance minus this one, and that we know that is a 28. This half means 28 means minus 28. So it will become the 56. So this plus this one is 56. Sorry, 15.6 divided by 2. Sorry, it is not divided by, it is 15.6 only because we have taken it is half over here. So now the distance is become 15.6. Next, this distance is directly given 24. Next, again bottom is 15.6. Next, from here to here the distance is given 89.8. And this distance is, again I have to measure, it is 28, and this distance it is 37.5. So for that one I will use the calci. It is 56 minus 37.5 divided by 2 is 9.25. 9.25. Next, from here to here the distance is directly, it is given 28.9. Okay, so exactly it is close over here. So this is my initial view is over. Now fill in the sketch. So I go to the revolve command, and axis is this one. Press OK. Now the next one is, let's see this file first. Next, you can see there is a plane. Okay, so I'll do it for this one. There is a half section, I have to take the plane. So we have to select the plane, means half section. So from the origin, I'll take the plane. Okay, so now this is a proper half section. Create a sketch. I'll convert this view to wireframe. So here I draw the one rectangular, and that rectangular, the line is not visible now. For that there is a command, project geometry. So I make it is visible over here. So take the one rectangular by 2 point, and I'll draw the rectangular like this. Next, they given it a height, depth, the distance over here. So what is the height, depth? Go to the over here. Now depth is 13.1 and this is 193.8. Okay, the 13.1. So this distance is 13.1, and from distance from here to up to here, that distance is given 193.8. 193.8, and the distance from this point to up to over here, okay, that is 15.1. Okay, finish the sketch. Now the plane is like this. I go to the extrude. I can see this one over here. So I'll go to the both side, and it is a cut. Distance is all. Okay, distance is all, and it is cut both sides and cut, and press OK. So now if you go to the view command, shaded, you can see this is a object is over. Now final touch up, that is a hole. Means there are two holes over here, and that is hole is throughout, and the size is 12.5 and distance between is 10 over there. So we have to select the plane properly. This is our plane. So now I go to the sketch, I select this plane over there. Next, take a circle. So this is my circle or next the circle dimension from, we know that this is a 56, means half that I have to make it, means from this distance is become 28. From this point to our here it is 28. Next the circle dimension is 12.5, both it is 12.5, and the distance in between from here to here it is 100. And the distance from this point to up to here it is 46.2. From here to here it is 46.2. So this is my final touch up over here. So now I'll go to the extrude. It is downward, distance is all, and cut operation. Okay. So this is my a final view of the object. So I'll save the file, and first I change the material. The material being discussed in starting in introduction chapter, that is it is made of, it is a mild steel. Okay. It is a mild steel. Apply, close. So now here is the last is the chamfer is given, that is 3 into 45. So for that one I selected is the object, and the chamfer size it is given the distance and angle. 3 is the distance and 45. They are asking the face first and edges. Okay, and apply. So this is your final. Thank you for watching. In next tutorial we will discuss the next part. Thank you.